Hi everyone, in this video we will continue working on Spring Hateoas. So far what we have done is we have added links to our response in getFlight method and getAllFlights method. So let's add links to the response for rest of our methods. So for getFlight by flight number, so what we're going to do is here we'll extract this, that is the return value to the flight detail object, and then we're going to add the link. So first create the link and copy it from existing method here. Then we are going to use this. We're going to call the get flight by number, and it takes the number here. Okay. And yes, I'm bracket here. Yeah. So what we have done, we have extracted the flight DTO object, then created the link on flight controller class on method get flight by number. Okay, and then pass the flight number as the parameter, and we're creating the self link. Once we added, what we have to do is we have to return the entity dot of DTO, and we have to change return type here. So this completes our get flight by number. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our server and see if the application is up. So let's open Postman, and here it's going to be by flight number. So the URL is get flight data, then followed by the flight number. So here first let's search for all the flights, okay, so that we can search for the flight by flight number. So this will give us all the flights. So we have the flight number as, let's take as 200. Okay, 200. We have the flight ID as 6. What we're going to do, the path followed by the flight number is 200. If we click on send, and you can see that we got the flight data with the link. Okay, that looks good. So let's continue with other two methods, that is create flight and update. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to server, and here what we have to do is once we create the flight record, then we can follow the same step of creating the, and this time instead of flight number it's going to be our flight get flight. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Here it's going to be dto dot get id. Finally model. Okay, and let's continue with the update method here. We'll do the same steps, drag it to the, and then yeah, I can take the entire thing from here. Okay, so with this we have updated our create flight and update methods. So let's save this and run the server, and we'll try to submit create flight, that is post method, and the put method. The server is up. Go to our postman, our request, we have the post, the body, what we are going to do is we are going to add some record of 10 0 10 0, sorry 1 0 1 0, and then I'll give this as seed number as 65, and here I'm going to give this as 21. Okay, so let's submit this. Okay, so there is a validation error. He said date cannot be a future date. Okay, good. So let's add some valid date that is in past. Now you can see that we got the output, that is if a record was created in the database with ID 41, and for that record we got the link. So if we try to access this link, okay, by going into get method, we try to submit, and we can see the record for that site. Okay, so now let's try to update. Okay, the same thing, the body, what we're going to do is we're going to change the date to 1990, and the ID is going to be, what was the ID? The ID is 41. What was the flight number? Flight number was 101. Okay, and this should be it. Okay, if we submit, let's see what. Okay, so it was successfully updated. When we try to again do a get, we should see our update. You can see this. Okay, so there is one thing that is not updated, I believe. Let's go back here. Oh, we did not change. I think let's do it. It's updated now. If you do that, and actual value is now baby. So that's how we can add a link to our create method, that is our post method, and also put method, okay, by giving back the details of the updated record, okay, so that the client does not need to create a link for the one that the record is created, okay, for the post method, or if it is input, then the updated record can be accessed by using the link in the response. And then finally we have delete, as the return type is void, we don't need to add the link in this method. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next session.